Mr. Focus. Hi guys. So today is Sunday and it's already what time is it? It's been a while since I took a video, so I decided to so it's already 3 p.m. and we're at home. Anna? Hi. How are you? Kain ka na? What you looking for? Huh? Anong gusto mo? What come? Wait, mommy's cooking. I'm cooking banana with sago. Sweetened banana with sago. And also editing our day 4 Japan vlog after 100 years. Nagka-time din tayo. Charot. 4 months. Oh, January. Yeah, 4 months. I already uploaded yung day 1, 2, and 3. So, day 4 at saka meron pa tayong day 5. Meron pa ba tayong day 6? Hindi ko sure. Day 6 yata, umuwi na kami. So, yeah. I'll just show some clips of my Sunday. So, Bunso is craving for banana, sweetened banana, na laging niluluto ni nanay. So, we're making that. It's raining, man. It's raining. Umuulan na nga na. Hindi nakikita pero umuulan na. Ang ganda ko talaga sa camera na to. Ang ganda-ganda ko. Pero di po yan ang katotohanan. Ay, tsara. Fake lang yan. Fake lang yan. So, I have, dito, may nabili ako sa Aldi that I am very happy about. So, it's these shoes for Gab. Sobrang cute. Dito kasi parang hindi naman required na mag black shoes or leather shoes. But it just brings back the memories. Parang, uy, nung kami laging black shoes, laging leather shoes. So, yeah, so cute. Very nostalgic. I also got her some yogurt pouch and this sharpener. Cute sharpener. $1. We also went sa punta kaming Best and Less. Which, sobrang cute ng mga damit pang bata.
Where did you watch it? Disney?
Pero hindi ako bumili ng madami kasi they're all summer tawag dito? Summer collection. Pero Bunso's gonna come out ng autumn. Dang! Huwag mo kong tatawan. So, Bunso's gonna come out ng autumn. So, malamig-lamig na yun. Isa lang yung nabili ko. $3. Tapos sobrang cute niya. Wait lang. Papakita ko. Ito yung first ever na damit na binili ko for bunso. Yay! Look at that. It's so cute. So cute. Oh. It's a 4-0 size. So, tiny baby size. So, kalabas niya. Masusuot niya talaga agad. Oh, cute. First ever. And $3 lang siya. Sale siya. $3. Dati siyang $5. Also got him... Wait lang. Mix lang natin ito. Baka masunog. I also got him these cute socks. I remember si Gab...
Dali, bet 210-36, di ba?
36-10. Mag 1 year ta na mo, Kenny. May pabaling address ta mo. I also got him these cute socks. I remember si Gab, binilan ko siya sa, I think sa H&M, na parang socks na ganito din. Tapos, yun yung parang couple of those socks na keep ko hanggang ngayon. So, nandun. So, I'm thinking, and I'm planning...
pa may susi, ha?
I'm planning na ito din yung magkikip din ako para kay bunso. Tapos ito yung kikip ko. So cute. Liit na lang. And I also got, wait lang. Nado ko lang to. I also got some singlets for Ate Gab for school. Just pang inner lang. And high socks for school also. Sobrang tagal ko na naghanap ng high socks na super high. Super high. Nakasing high nito. Kasing high. Wait lang. Yung iba kasi nakikita parang hanggang ano lang sila dito. Pero ito, knee length. So cute. She's gonna be so cute. Like, she's gonna look like a very, ang tawag dito, very school girl. So I got four set of white and navy blue because their uniform is navy blue. So yun lang ang mga nabili ko. Pero sobrang daming cute stuff sa Best and Less, especially para sa mga babies. Mag-ano ko dito ng mga photos or video na nakuha ko. Pero yun, sobrang cute. Sobrang cute.
Wait lang ko eh.
Ice cream. Kain ka mo ng lunch.
Sige ito. Oh, may puting.
Sige. Ingat ka.
Oh, may... Wait lang. Yeah, quick lang si Daddy, okay?
He's gonna come back. Quick lang siya, na? Kain ka ng prawns? Kain ka ng prawns? Ha? And then you can eat na your, you can eat na, tag dito? You can eat na ice cream after you eat prawns.
Yes.
What? Quick lang si Daddy.
Ingat ka.
Ano sabi ng mayara?
I'm just peeling prawns for that.
Sit on the couch.
No. Diyan ka, para you can see. Here ka na ko. Anak ko, here. Andy, here, para you can see. Dito ka. Yan, pineapple juice. So, yeah. Ano pa bang gagawin ko ngayon? So, galing kami. So, morning. Kagising ko. I just had brekkie. Tapos, pumunta kami sa Majura. Just the normal Sunday routine. And then, kasi usually pag Sunday, we'll just go for brekkie. Like a family brekkie with mom and the siblings and cousin. Tapos, we'll go, ang tawag dito, kung saan-saan lang. Kung saan-saan kami mapadpad na lakad-lakad lang kung saan-saan. So, yun. And then, after nun, so, napunta nga kami sa Best and Less. And then, we just went home. Tapos, eto na ako. Later, we'll have, we'll have an open house. So, we're trying to sell yung bahay, yung apartment ni Mommy. So, yeah, we'll have that. But after nun, wala na tayong ganap. Ito lang, just a normal Sunday for us. Yan. So, yeah. Hindi ko na alam ano sasabihin ko. Ano pa ba sasabihin ko? Wala na. Okay. I'll see you guys later pag may sasabihin ko. Pagod. So, I got these. Saan ko ba ilalagay? I got these clothes from Marketplace for free. Actually, hinila kasi sa sa cupboard. So, meron tayong 3 bags here. Dito kasi sa Australia, meron, hindi ko sure sa ibang state ha, pero dito sa state namin, meron mga buy nothing groups. So, these groups, nagbibigay sila ng, meron, parang, for example, yung sa area namin, meron kaming buy nothing group. So, parang pagka meron kang mga surplus sa needs mo, ipopost mo doon, tas pipick upin nila sa'yo. Kasi, mahal din ang mag-dispose ng mga, especially mga bulky items. Mahal mag-dispose dito, kaya magtatapon ka na lang, may bayad pa. So, ito, nakuha ko doon sa buy nothing group. Meron akong ipadala sa Pinas, but we'll see kung ano yung mga magagamit nila, tsaka kung ano yung mga hindi nila magagamit. So, ayoko naman magsayang ng space sa bagahe or sa box. Kung, like, for example, kung hindi naman nila magagamit. Like, for example, this one. Huwag niyong pansinin yung kilikili ko. Nanghingitim na talaga yung kilikili ko dahil we're, pa 6 months na tayo. So, ayan. So, like this one. This is cute, but hindi nila magagamit. Pero ako magagamit ko to. So, we'll keep this for me. It's cute. So, sa akin yun. Tingnan natin yung iba. Sa mga pambabae to. Ito, parang magagamit nila to. Cute. At saka, ang maganda pa, hindi sila dun nagbibigay ng mga gamit na hindi mo na magagamit. As in, talagang bibigyan nila sa'yo yung magagamit mo pa. Kasi, parang nahihiya din sila magbigay ng mga gamit na hindi mo na magagamit. Well, for most, hindi naman lahat. So, we have this dress. Oh, I think magagamit nila to. This is size 6, ay small. So, meron makakagamit nito doon. Surely. So, ito. What's this? Parang pang, hindi ko alam. Ang cute, pero parang pang nurse yata to. I'm not sure kung may makakagamit sa kanila. So, lagyan mo na lang natin dito yung mga hindi, tingin ko din nila magagamit. Oh, this is nice. Size small. Na dress. Oh, it's actually a romper. Romper ba tawag dito? Pero, romper na mahaba. It's cute. Let's see. Cute. Actually, ako magagamit ko to. Pero, natin sa akin. It's small. Hindi ko nakasya small. It's cute. This one's very cute. Very nice. Lahat ng actions ko sobrang nakakapagod. This is a leggings.
Who are you talking to?
Guys. This is nice. I think magagamit nila to.
What's this?
It's, it's a uniform for
who?
For nurses. So, this is size 8. Na, hindi ko alam paano siya. Oh, I think it's a crop top. O, basta, parang ganun. Pero ang ganda ng tela niya. So, tingin ko magagamit nila dun. Perfect for summer. Tapos, ito. Ganda naman. Itong brand ng leggings na to. From Cotton On yata to. Cotton On Body. Magaganda sila. Gusto ko sila. So, this one, I think magagamit nila to. Okay, so.
Why you need from free dog taste?
Actually, I got... Oh, this is cute. Check. Cute. See? Feeling ko gusto nila to. So, yeah, cute. This is nice. Gamit nila to. Ito. This one, hindi ko na ibibigay sa kanila kasi parang meron stain ng deodorant.
Can I have it?
No, it's yucky. See? There's stain ng deodorant, so we're not giving that to them. Ito, masyado maliit. Parang sa akin na lang siguro. Ako na lang magsusuot. So, dito yung mga akin. Okay, mga tingin ko hindi nila magagamit. Lagay ko, shoot ko lang dito. May tali pala yung robe. So, sobrang magamitan ng robe sa akin kasi mas madalas pa malamig dito kaysa mainit. Oh, this one is actually new. Oh, $8 siya. Hindi. This is size 8 na jumper na skirt. Oh, it's nice. And I love this. So, tingnan mo naman. Super cute. Yeah. Nice. This is nice. Thank you kung sino ka mang nagbigay nitong mga to. Kasi, magagamit to ng mga... This one is new. Look at this. It's... Grabe. Bago pa. It's from Doty. It costs 39 point. Oh, please focus. Saan nakikita niya? 39.95. It's new. Size 8. So, nagamit nila to. Oh, this is so nice. Look at that. Tapos may button siya doon. Sana lang hindi na naalis yung ibang butones dito. Pero pwede naman tahiin. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, I love them. Oh, this one. It's gonna be very useful for them. Size 8. Kasi feeling ko size 6, size 8 sila doon. So, lobat na ako. But, yeah, anyways, I'll just go through these. Tapos, I'll send it to them. Okay, bye!